Our mint project started a couple years ago. We were approached by a local farmer to actually raise tiny little mint roots. We got about 10,000 of them in, and we raised them in our greenhouse. Then we took those mint plants out in the field and planted them by hand. So it was very intensive. A lot of students were heavily involved in this process. This Sunday morning, we're here harvesting our mint. Wednesday afternoon, they came down here with a swather. It's the same thing that actually swathes hay as well, but they just take the conditioner out. They lay down the mint, and what they do is they let it dry for a couple days. We had a little problem last night with some frost, and there's frost actually on the mint. So we're gonna wait a few minutes before the sun gets up and take that frost off the mint, because we're not sure if once you put all the mint, if it's frosted in the tubs, if we'll be able to cook it or not. The sun has warmed up our mint, taken away the frost. Now we got Lee. He was concerned earlier, but now he is chopping away at our mint. This is the mint before we chopped it. This is the mint after we chopped it. When our tubs are filled, what we do is we run steam through the tub, and the steam will cook it, and the oil will leave the leaves, and the oil will attract the steam. And then the steam goes up to the tub, back into the mint still where it's cooled down. And when steam cools down, it turns back into water. And then when water and oil mix, oil will go to the top, they'll separate, and then it'll go into the holding tank. This right here is where the mint oil is separated from the water. You can see the bubbles, these bubbles here that are coming up, that's actually the mint oil that's separating from the water. And then as it reaches this, there's an opening on the other side, and just the mint oil comes out through these tubes and it's held right here in this reservoir. These are the barrels that the mint oil gets put into. Each barrel weighs 400 pounds. Hopefully we're going to have about 2 barrels full of mint oil. Now 1 barrel of mint oil will produce enough mint to put in 400,000 tubes of toothpaste. The school farm is an excellent source of revenue for our FFA program and ag department. We send kids on lots of conferences and competitions, and this is what pays for those competitions and conferences. Therefore, the kids don't have to spend out-of-pocket money to attend these leadership conferences and competitions. But what's really unique about our situation is the kids that work out here and participate in this. Okay, they are doing a fundraiser that's directly related to agriculture and what we're teaching them in the classroom. We don't have to go out and do other fundraisers that don't necessarily relate to agriculture. And that's one of the great things about agriculture programs is we teach them in the classroom, and then we take them outside, and that's how they learn.